Hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. On this channel we talk about skincare, lifestyle, all the good things happening in the beauty industry, what's buzzing in the market, what's good, what's not good, and all of that good things. Okay, so this is a highly requested video. Please, if you have any video suggestions, you can leave them down in the comment section below. And if you feel like I haven't done a product review, maybe you requested a video and I haven't done that, please make sure you remind me in the comment section below, or my WhatsApp is also listed in the description box. Okay, this person said, you always tell us not to use our body lotions during the daytime. What other options do we have? And another person also said, okay, now you've said we've gotten our desired complexion, what should we use to maintain that complexion? So I've said, so I always talk about not using your lightening creams during the daytime. I've always talked about, when you get the complexion you want, not using that product again, because that's when you begin to get like reactions thinning out of your skin. Because the truth is, skin lightening, you have to be very wise about it. It's a journey, it's a process, it's not a one-time thing. It's not going to stay there, it's not going to be permanent. You always return back to your original state. So what you want to do is, when you get that desired complexion, you take a pause, you maintain, and then if you realize that, okay, if you notice that you're getting dark again, then you can resume using your product. Okay, so to answer your questions, the first thing I'm going to talk about is what to use during the daytime. Okay, so now, like I said, when you've gotten your desired complexion, you don't want to, apart from getting your desired complexion, you don't want to be using a lightening product and going out in the sun. So even when they tell you, oh, it has SPF, the standard SPF is 50. If you put SPF 50 in a lotion, there's every probability it's going to leave a white cast on the person's skin. So that's why a lot of beauty brands don't put SPF, those two ingredients that are sun protection factors, in their creams, because it will leave a white cast. Okay, so most times they put a little amount, they don't put the standard SPF. If it's in this Nigerian sun you're going out, you definitely need SPF 50 and above. Okay, because it's very hot out here. So if you're in a hot prone country, you definitely want to use a product that has you don't want to use a product that has lightening agent during the daytime. First of all, you get sunburnt, and then you take yourself weeks darker. You're going to take yourself back. Instead of making progress, you're going to go back. Okay, so what are the other options you can use? Now you can get a regular moisturizing lotion. Applying a lotion during the daytime is not going to stop your skin from lightening, or it's not going to take you darker. It's just going to make sure that what you have, you're keeping it in check. So you get yourself a moisturizing lotion. You can also use oils. You can use body oils. So if you're someone that likes your skin likes carrot oil, definitely for someone that is light skin, you want to use carrot oil, you want to use papaya oil, you want to use sunflower oil. Don't use lemon oil, please. That also has lightening agents in it that can burn your skin, so don't use lemon oil. You want to use mild oils on your skin during the daytime. Moisturizing oils, not just oils that you apply and it doesn't feel like you applied anything on your skin. Moisturizing oils. You can also DIY your own oils. You can put coconut oil, papaya oil, oils, use them during the daytime. Or you can be using one single oil, but don't use that lotion during the daytime. Okay, for me, I can do Beauty Series oil, papaya oil, Nature Secrets oil. Just make a nice combination for myself and apply during the daytime. Guys, I am for applying body oils during the daytime. Not only is it going to help prevent your skin from getting burnt, it's also going to give you those moisturizing benefits, because some of these most lightening creams are going to be drying out your skin, so you want to have that moisture. That's why you use moisturizing creams or oils during the daytime. Okay, now to answer the second question, for people that are talking about maintenance, for maintenance of your skin, the best products you can also use are oils, and these oils are definitely going to be much more concentrated than your regular moisturizing oils, so you can use those oils to maintain that complexion. You also can use Thailand US based products, those without pro mixing them, please, because those creams on their own can definitely lighten the skin, so you don't need to pro mix them anymore. They will just help maintain your complexion. So US based products, Thailand products, not Cameroon products. Okay, some of these creams that you can use to maintain your complexion can be creams like Francos Bedon, QEI lotion, Make Me White without pro mixing, Gluta Wink without pro mixing, please. You don't need to pro mix these products, you can use them alone. And I think another one you can add to this is also this Egyptian lotion. You can also use that to maintain your complexion. Okay, not pro mixing. Don't put any serum, don't put anything in it, just use it the way it is, and it will help maintain that complexion. Of course, it's not going to be a long-term thing. If you notice that you are getting darker again, you can now resume your lightening cream and pause. Guys, skincare is a journey, it's not a one-time thing. You have to pay very good attention to whatever it is that you're doing on your skin. Okay, I hope this answered your questions. If you have any other questions, of course, leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching and always liking my videos. If you have any video suggestions, leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.